Now today I want to talk to you about a new sewing pattern of an old sewing video. Do you remember our sort of Japanese style zero waistcoat, otherwise known, yes, as a 30-minute coat, Japanese cocoon coat? Well, you were all getting quite confused with the measurements, so guess what? I've created a new sewing pattern of how to make it. I've made a couple of changes. So we've got a slit at the bottom. Can you see this slit? Well, that makes it hang better at the back. Now, on this one, you don't have to do it. I've added a channel that only goes as far as there, and I've put some elastic in there and sort of drawstring thing in here. But other than that, it's all the same, but you don't have to think about the measurements. Also, even though you don't need it, I've also included a big rectangle, which is the perfect size for making the lined Japanese tote bags, because you do need to take a little bit off the end, and I think people were getting a bit confused. So that's in with the sewing pattern as well. Now, if you want to make your coat so it looks really similar to mine, you need to get some double-faced. When you search online, it's either double-sided or double-faced quilted fabric. Now, also, if you want to make it similar to the one that I have on, it's quite a good idea to get some of this folded knitted edging. Now, the reason why this is really good is because it just naturally folds really easily to grab the edge of the fabric. Now, I wish I could say that I sell this, but I don't. But I do know some people that do. So if you comment below, I can tell you where to get it from. Look, I have discovered that if I get 2 strips of edging and I put them together and zigzag them together, then they naturally fold like this. Can you see that? So you could do that if you can't find the folded knitted edging or wool binding. Now, in Judd's coat, in her zero waist Japanese style coat, look how she's left the frayed edges of her fabric. So she just did a stay stitch and then frayed it as far as the stay stitch. But she still did the ribbed collar. You do sort of need that. Now, I'm sure you know how to make a bagged out scarf. It's really good for using up scraps. So I'm just looking in the mirror. But they do make really good Christmas gifts. Right, what else did I want to talk about? Yes, next video. So for my next video, I was either thinking of showing you how to do this, which is a bit of TR cutting magic, or how to do this very, very easy boned corset. Do I call it a corset? Yes. It's really easy, and it actually just uses, you probably want to see the back, two pattern pieces, and the lining. But it's a really easy corset to make. I guess I would make it so it doesn't come down quite so low, but it's sort of done on an arc. And if you've got big boobies, you probably need a dart or 2 darts up here. Anyway, comment below. Copper embroidered and sequin. stuff. I mean, it's nice, but I'm never going to use it. So, I don't know. If you're interested in having it, you can have it for free. I think I'll send it anywhere in the world because it isn't very heavy. But look, you could probably do something with that. So, do you want this fabric? Comment below. I'll do some sort of names in the hat thing. Yeah, and then I'll send it to you. So I think that's it. Right, let's summarise. New sewing pattern. Japanese style zero waste coat. Very ethical and sustainable. Do you want a video on how to do a really easy lined and boned corset? Very, very easy. Or do you want that TR bodice thing? Thank you very much for watching and see you again very soon. Bye!